Loyola sa first five with Costan and Delyaban also in the game and Tagubilin.
Nakita mo
So
gid.
for Kerlon naman, I think speed would be the key for this game, no?
Defense and speed. Right? So, right now, no? Sa jump ball pala, makita mo na ang size
Yeah, oo,
advantage
size
ng mission.
advantage ng mission, no? Pero we'll see. Bilog ang bola, Migonins.
Alright. And we just tip up our first ever game for our inaugural season for IBL
And
Season 1.
what a pass by Poral to Costan underneath pero hindi pumasok yung tira. Costan again underneath. Costan to Loyola. Loyola in the high post. Loyola tumira. Wala. Rebound by Poral. Underneath Poral. And a reverse, wala pa rin. Good defense there by Abuel de la Cruz from Kerlon. And Mendoza now dribbling the ball. Binigay kay De La Cruz for the 3 points. And bang! First 3 points ever for IBL Season 1 coming from Abuel de la Cruz.
First points.
First point, first 3 points. And Kerlon leads 3-0. Tagubilin to Loyola. Binalik kay Tagubilin, binigay kay Costan sa ilalim. Costan, fade away. What a shot! And 2 points for Mission.
Alright, unfortunately mga kaisers, no, na we have a technical issue with our video right now. Si Quiz Bing lang na yung i-describe ko lang na sa inyo. So 5-2 for Team Kerlon. And that's out of bounds. So ball will stay for Mission, Iloilo Mission Hospital. So it's 8 minutes and 32 seconds left sa first quarter. 5-2 at on score, mga ka-Isons. Inside for number 7. A nice pass to number 19, Foral. So it's 5-4 now. So Mendoza, number 31. Dinate, turnover. 2-on-2. So number 8 of Mission. Bank shot, no good. Offensive rebound by number 6.
And a rebound there by Dinate. Dinate to Lau. Lau, binigay kay De La Cruz again for the 3. Bang! Another 3 points for De La Cruz. That's 2. 3 points back-to-back for De La Cruz for Kerlon. Costan sa ilalim. Binigay kay Poral sa gitna. Poral hesitates. Binigay kay Loyola sa gilid. Tumira ng jump shot. Wala. Rebound again by Dinate. Dinate,
So
binigay kay
start
Mendoza.
so far, no? For Team Kerlon.
Oh, it's a good offensive start
Third
by
one.
Kerlon.
Uy, short na. I thought ika-tatlo
Oo.
na nga 3 points ni De La Cruz. Boys Bing.
Oo, short yung tira na yon na 3 points ni De La Cruz, no? But still, Kerlon leads 8-4.
8-4, yes.
Delyaban, binigay kay Poral in the low post. Poral, bumangga. Binalik kay Delyaban. Delyaban tumira ng 3. Bang by Delyaban, 3 points. And 2-point lead by Kerlon, 6-8. With that 3-pointer from Delyaban. Mendoza dribbling the ball. Mendoza, binigay kay number 21. Wala. Tagubilin. Playing point for Mission Loyola. Loyola sa ilalim. Post and what a
There's a foul.
there's a foul, yes.
So 7-8, mga ka-ISM, 6:41 left. And there's a foul inside by number 7, Dan Lau of Kerlon. So number 7 for our Iloilo Mission Hospital team will take 2.
First free throw is basket there. And score is 8-all. Another one, wala. Number 21, Uis, rebounds the ball, binigay kay Mendoza. Mendoza playing point for Kerlon. Pass to Dinate. Dinate takes the 3. Bang for Denate, 3 points. And magandang nagiging pasahan ng Kerlon in this first quarter. They're seeing all the open men in their offense. Tagubilin with a 3. Binawi bigla ni Tagubilin, Migonins.
Easy
Yung
shot.
3 points na yon.
Easy shot, Kois.
And score is 11 all. De La Cruz to Mendoza. Mendoza binigay kay De La Cruz sa gilid. Wala. Rebound by Loyola. Mission on a fast break. A 2-on-3 situation. Delyaban takes the 3. Wala. Rebound by Tagubilin. Wala. Loyola. Underneath. Loyola. Tagubilin to Pural.
Oh,
And
almost
it's
a
a
steal
steal.
there.
Pero nakuha uli ni Delyaban. Delyaban to Tagubilin. Wala
Oh,
pa rin.
overshoot,
Pural.
sir.
Underneath. Binangga si Dinate pero walang tawag na foul. Mendoza with a drive. Lau, bumangga kay Costan. Wala. Rebound, Loyola. Ang ganda ng balikan dito ng both teams. Loyola takes the drive pero last touch by Mission Hospital.
So we're still at 11 all at 5 minutes and 15 seconds to go in the
Oh.
first quarter.
Oo, Migonins, no? And ang ganda ng depensa from both ends of the court. Kerlon's defense and Mission Hospital's defense, no? And Denate, center, tumira ng jump shot, pasok.
13-11. So Denate now with 5 points.
And Delyaban passes to Loyola. Loyola sa high post. Binigay kay Delyaban. Delyaban hesitates. Binigay kay Costan. Costan binigay kay Tagubilin who drives. And 100, wala. Poral with a rebound. And yes, basket. A putback there by Poral.
Iba na matakad, Kois.
Oo, iba nang malaki talaga, no? Iba nang mahaba ang kamay. Mendoza. Dribbling the ball. Tumira. Jump shot. Wala. Loyola flies for the rebound. Loyola brings it down the court. Pinasa kay Pural sa ilalim. Pural. And last touch by De La Cruz from the back. And think we have a substitution. Tiples coming in for Uy for Kerlon.
So 4:08 left in the first quarter, mga ka-Isons. We're tied at 13.
Loyola to Delyaban. Costan, what a turnaround! And basket by Costan there from Delyaban's pass. And eto ngayon, and lamang na ang mission ng dalawa, 15-13 with 3:49 left in this first quarter. De La Cruz to Mendoza. Binigay kay Lau sa ilalim and pushes his way in with that power shot underneath the basket. Delyaban decides to play point.
Tied at 15, no?
Tied at 15, yes. Delyaban to Pural. Pural takes the 2-point shot. Short. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza, it's a 2-on-2 fast break. Mendoza takes it all the way. Wala Tiplas with the rebound. Wala pa rin. And top by Pural. Delyaban gets the rebound. Delyaban, nagmamadali. Dumray, pinasa kay Tagubilin. Tagubilin underneath. Wala din natin rebound. Mendoza, here comes the pass break. A 3-on-1 situation. Push it
Takes
away.
the...
But there's a foul for Pural, Migonins. And sayang, no? Both teams were really running and gunning. Pero mukhang minamala sila when it comes to their shot in their shots in the fast break. Mendoza first free throw, pasok. Mendoza takes another shot from the free throw, pasok pa rin, and 2-for-2 for Mendoza. And the score is 17-15. Lamang ang Kerlon with 3 minutes remaining in the ball game. Delyaban binigay kay number 11 Loyola with that 3. And again, it's a tie. 17 all. Mendoza.
It's a tie, Kois. Hindi siya batikulon. It's a tie.
Oh, it's a tie. Lim to Mendoza. Mendoza takes the 3. Ang layo ng 3 points na yun. Wala. And agawan sa rebound, Tiples takes the rebound and a block. What a block there by number 18. Loyola pushes it down to the court and
Shot clock error.
Shot
Wala
clock
ma-reset
error.
sa atong table.
Wala na reset.
Mm.
But then again, Mission takes the ball or Mission's possession.
Again, mga ka-ISEMs, no, if you're watching, thank you so much. Please follow our page if you want to see the game live. We are here at the Pavia Gym.
Mendoza, 3-on-2 fast break. What a defense there by Palmehan. Rebound again by Loyola. Loyola pushes it down to the court. Takes it to the basket. And what a bank shot. Yes, pasok for Mission Hospital. Chris Loyola with that fast break. Court to court. Lim dribbles the ball. Binigay kay Mendoza. Mendoza binigay kay Del Pilar. Del Pilar drives. Nabitawan ng bola pero nakuha niya uli. And there's a foul
Nakakuha pa siya ng
for
foul.
Leonico. Lencioko, number 11, foul. Del Pilar with that first free throw. Basket.
There you see there at the bottom of your screens, mga ka-ISEMs.
Second free throw again. Wala. Rebound by
Paano
Costan.
nakuha ni Del Pilar ang foul?
Palmehan. Place. Point. Palmehan. Binigay kay number 18. Wala. Rebound. Top rebound by
Lim all alone.
Lim all away. All alone. Wala
miss.
pa rin. A drive permission, wala. Rebound by Costan sa ilalim. Costan is powering it down underneath Migo
Yes.
Dins, no?
Again, iba malaki talaga, Kois. So Lim there gives it to Mendoza.
Mendoza hesitates, binalik kay Denate. Denate fakes, binigay kay Mendoza again. Mendoza cross court to Del Pilar. Del Pilar fakes. Denate underneath takes the jumper, wala. And Mission rebounds the ball. Palmehan
47 seconds
to
left.
number 11, Tagubilin.
45.
Binigay kay Loyola sa gitna. Loyola thinking of driving, crossovers and takes the jump shot. What a shot by
Easy
Chris
shot.
Loyola with that crossover and
Ah.
then a jump shot. That gives the lead to Mission 23-18 in this. We have 28 seconds left in this first quarter. Lau. Steal by Palmehan. It's a 3-on-2 situation. Loyola pushes it down and a layup by Loyola. Basket for Mission. 25-18 is the score. 15 seconds left. Denate takes the 3. Wala. Rebound by Palmehan. Palmehan, sabi niya sandali lang. Ubusin natin ang oras. Loyola, 5 seconds left. Leoncioko, tumira ng bank shot. Pasok! And that's it for the first quarter. Migonins, ang ganda ng nilaro ng dalawang team in this first quarter pero nangibabaw pa rin ang Mission Hospital with their towering players and yung underneath na mga baskets nila nahihirapan magdepensa ang Caerlon. But again, we'll proceed with the second quarter after this reminder. Mga ka-Isens will be back. And we are back in the second quarter of the ball game. Del Pilar to Denate, wala. Rebound by Talaban. Binigay kay Denate, basket. Denate bank shot for Denate, 2 points. Score is 27-20 in favor of Mission Hospital. Time remaining, 9:35 in the second quarter. And a steal by Caerlon. Lim speeding up, pero hindi niya naabutan yung bola. What a defense then by Mission Hospital there. Talagang hinabol ng Mission ni number 91 Defense doon and yung bola. Dinate with that inbound basket and a foul. Number 25 is foul. Celerio foul Dinate, and Dinate will take one free throw. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Now Mission dribbles the ball down the court. Binigay kay and number 18 tumira ng jump shot. Pasok. Lim playing point for Kerlon. Palmehan. Kinukulit siya talaga and passes to Del Pilar. Del Pilar binalik kay Lim. Lim passes to Dinate. Dinate hesitates, drives, and there's a foul by number 16.
Blocking foul by number 16.
Blocking foul by number 16. Sulit. Number 16,
Sulit
sulit.
ang foul.
Sinulit niya yung foul kay Dinate. Talagang pinaul niya talaga ng matindi. Dinate drives to the baseline. Binigay pero na steal. Mission pushes it down to the court. And an error. Celerio hindi nakuha yung bola doon sa pass break situation na yon. And 29-22, 7-point lead by Mission Hospital. 8:27 remaining in the second quarter of the ball game. 15 seconds in the shot clock. Talaban, wala. Rebound by Mission. Here comes Mission. Palmehar drives, takes the shot, and basket by Palmehar.
I think, course, this is where Kerlon needs to be careful. Kinanglan, maraligid sila sa mayo eh.
I agree. Dapat mag-iingat sila and the defense should stand out here. Talaban drives and good defense ng Mission Hospital doon sa situation na yon. Two people covering Talaban on that drive. Tipless inbounds. Naghahanap na mapapasahan. Binigay kay an error pass by Tipless. Palmehar. Sulit gets the loose ball. Number 11 takes the shot. Number 11 ba yun? Number 91 takes the shot pero supply. Lumbano, number 91. Kasi na mga ka-ISIS, medyo hindi pa tayo pamilyar sa mga apelido ng mga players natin pero we'll try to improve that moving on. And a shot there by Dinate. 24-31 is the score. 7 minutes, 8 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Celerio takes the jump shot. Pasok! And napansin ko, Migonins, yung mga jump shot ng Mission dito, mukhang talagang pumapasok, no?
And you can see na, in terms of their ball movement, all those jump shots are wide open for them.
Oo, wide open. I agree. And dapat depensahan talaga ng Kerlon yun. Nakita nila ilang beses nang tumitira ng jump shot pero hindi pa rin nila kinokontest. So yun yung mga tira dapat na kinokontest nila, no? So number 11 passes to number 91 and what a defense by Lim. Pass break by Kerlon. Lim passes to Dinate with a drive. An acrobatic drive pero naipasok niya pa rin ang bola. Gives a score to Kerlon. 26-33 is the score. In 6 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Number 11, umupo sa ere and pasok yung tira na yon.
7-point lead.
Oh, I think Kerlon needs to take a time out and talk about their defense here kasi ilang possession
Illegal
na.
screen there.
And an offensive foul, an illegal screen by number 42, Talaban.
And we have a substitution here.
Mendoza comes in, Uy comes in, replacing Denate and Tiples.
So our time mga ka-ISMs is 5:51, no?
5 minutes 51 mga ka-ISMs in the second quarter. And it's Mission Ball. Delyaban bumalik sa game ulit with Tagubilin. Binigay kay Tagubilin from Delyaban. Binalik kay Delyaban. Delyaban drives and takes the jump shot. Basket.
Easy shot.
Easy shot by Delyaban.
One dribble pull up.
Correct. One dribble pull up. Parang Kobe lang, no?
Kobe, Melo.
Jonas Mendoza takes a three and bang for Kerlon. 3 points by Mendoza. 31-37 is the score. 6-point lead by Mission. 5:19 remaining in the second quarter.
That's a much needed 3-point shot.
Yes, a much needed for their momentum.
Oo.
Bigonins and Lim on a fast break. Binigay kay Mendoza ulit, takes the three. Wala, rebound by Lim underneath. Binigay kay Mendoza ulit sa gilid, tumira ng tres, short.
Uy.
And the battle for the rebound, Delyaban gets the rebound. Delyaban drives, hesitates, sidesteps.
Oh.
And kasayang yung tira na yon.
You can really see the savviness of Delyaban there, no?
At saka yung, makikita mo yung pagka-veterano niya,
Yes.
Miguelins. Yung pagka-veterano sa galaw. Makikita mo talaga,
He was
di ba?
looking for the foul all the
Oo.
way. Since he was able to control the ball. Foul talaga yung
correct.
hinahanap niya. On
Simula
that,
pa rin simula pa lang sa pag-aagawan nila ng bola hanggang sa dumrive siya, foul yung hinahanap niya.
And we have a
So-
timeout here, I think, coming from Kerlon. With 4 minutes and 44 seconds to go.
And we'll be back mga ka-ISMs after this. Basket.
And we're
And
back, mga ka-ISMs.
We're back mga ka-ISMs, and Delyaban took his first free throw and basket by Mission. Delyaban takes the second free throw. And another basket by Delyaban. And ngayon Mendoza is playing point for Kerlon. Tries to evade Delyaban. Binigay kay Denate. Binalik kay Mendoza. Mendoza to Uy. Uy, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Mendoza. Mendoza takes the three. Wala. Rebound by number 91 from Mission. Binigay kay Tagubilin. Tagubilin. Cross pass to Celerio. Celerio, thinking of shooting, takes the 2 points. Wala. Rebound again by number 91. What a hassle by number 91, Don Migonins. Tagubilin to number 91, takes the shot. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Denate. Binigay kay Mendoza. Mendoza. Denate takes it down the court. Binigay kay Uy. Uy spins. Pero an error by Kerlon. Turnover by Kerlon. Ball goes back to Mission Hospital.
3 minutes and 50 seconds left, mga ka-ISMs. And again, we apologize for the technical issues at time to, no? I-update na lang ka muna. That we'll try to fix it as we go.
Poral, tumira, wala. And what a rebound by Celerio and gets the foul. And one fouled by Sam Gilaran, number 4 from Kerlon. And Celerio will take his free throw. Wala, rebound by Lau. Lau pass to Mendoza. Mendoza passes to Gilaran. Gilaran takes his time. Binigay kay Denate. Denate to Lau. Muntik na maagaw na naman. Uy, takes the three. Wala. And rebound by Poral. Poral. Fast break to Tagubilin, pero nakita niya yung may bantay. Kaya tumigil siya. Delyaban. Delyaban, cross court to Celerio. Celerio, binigay kay Poral sa gitna. Poral
Another
takes
wide
the jump shot.
open.
Wala.
Nag-miss lang.
Wide open na naman yon.
2 minutes, 54 seconds left, mga ka-ISMs, in this second quarter.
41-31 is the score. 10-point lead na ng Mission in the second quarter, mga ka-ISMs. 2 minutes, 49 seconds remaining. Mendoza takes the three, wala. Costan rebounds the ball, binigay kay Loyola. Loyola pushes it down the court and Loyola bothered by Gilara, number 4. Binagay kay Delyaban, muntik pang mabitawan yung bola. Delyaban with a crossover and a behind the back pass to behind the back dribble and pass to Loyola, wala. And number 4, Gilaran pushes the fast break. And Gilaran underneath, wala pa rin. Uy, with a rebound and a putback, wala. Loyola, fast break to Delaban. Stops and waits for his teammates.
Last 2 minutes in the second quarter.
Costan sa ilalim. Low post. Tumira, what a spin move there. And a jump shot by Costan. And 43-31 ang score. And a fast break by Kerlon with 1:38 remaining. 1 minute 36 remaining in the ball game. 43-33 is the score. Mission with a 10-point lead. Costan gives to Poral and rebound by Dinate pero nakuha ng Mission ulit. And what a fake by Tagubilin sa ilalim. And another score by Mission in the second quarter. 45-33 is the score. Kailangan tumira ng 3, wala. Loyola rebounds the ball, pushes it down the court. Behind the back dribble. Loyola to Delaban. Delaban drives, gives to Loyola and gives to Costan. What a passing display there by Mission Hospital. And that gives them a 2-point. And the score is 47-33.
Grabe yung teamwork ng Mission.
Oo, ang ganda. Makikita mo talaga yung tagal na nilang pagsasama sa paglalaro, Amigo Nins. Yung gel ng kanilang laro.
And you can see that their team is really comfortable sa ganitong laro.
Oo.
No? You don't see them being panic, and then you can see nga condition sila as well.
Lim, binigay kay Lau. Lau fakes. Binabatian ni Costan. And Costan steals the ball. Here comes Mission with a fast break. Pero nabitawan ng bola.
32 seconds left in the second quarter.
47-33 is the score. Mission in favor. Lim binigay kay Mendoza sa gilid to Gilaran. Gilaran drives, nabitawan ng bola pero binalik kay Mendoza. Mendoza takes the 3. Wala. And Loyola sinungkit ang bola kay Lau.
18 seconds
Loyola
left.
pushes the ball. 15 seconds left in the ball game. Loyola takes his time. Loyola to Amazona. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Kerlon. 4 seconds. Pass break to Dakil. Wala pa rin. And that's it for the second quarter. And it's a 14-point lead for Mission going into the halftime, Migonins. And we'll be back after our halftime reminders. Mga ka-ISEMs, stay tuned.
I feel like we know home.
Alright mga ka-ISEMs, apologize for the delay in coming back. We needed to fix the clock para hindi na kami magsala, no? And I think we were able to do it. So right now, it's 56-38. Team Mission, 18-point lead. Wide open three, no good. Rebound for Carlon Mendoza. Gets it to Linate. Back to De La Cruz. Three. Yes! So that's a third three-point shot by Noel De La Cruz from Carlon. Number 14 being Arasa. Still by De La Cruz. Wide open layup. Yes! 56-43. And another steal. Dakil with the drive. What a run by Team Carlon Icons. It was earlier an 18-point lead. Now 11. So that's a 7-0 run for Carlon. So Team Mission calls a timeout. And we'll be right back.
At Filipino homes, we're here to serve you. At Filipino homes, we'll make your dream come true. Make it easy together, only the very best for you. At Filipino homes. Filipino homes.
And we're back mga ka-Ison. So it's 56-45. Team Mission still with an 11-point lead. But Carlon was able to do a 7-0 run to close the gap from 18 earlier. Inside. Nice passing by Team Mission. So 58-45. Mendoza bringing the ball up for Carlon to Dinate with the mid-range. Oh! Wala lang nagsulod mga ka-Isems. But Dinate will be going to the line to shoot 2 free throws.
And Migunins, we have a shout outs here, no? Carlo Dormido, let's go Arnoel and mga brothers from Carlon. Dudes Giliaran, go Carlon. Ja Castillo, go Mission. Lencioco brothers, go. And thank you for staying tuned in sa live natin mga ka-ISEMs. And
That's
thank you so much.
32 million viewers.
Oh,
Boys.
32 million viewers. We have to thank them. Thank you for watching. We are live, and we have a shout out from Austin, Texas, from Miley Rodriguez. And thank you so much for watching. Mendoza, Carlon, fast break, agawan ng bola. Costan gets the ball. Fast break for De La Cruz. Pero nabitawan niya ang bola.
Wala makontrol.
And another turnover by Mission, no? 5 minutes remaining in the ball game or in this third quarter. 60-47 is the score, Migunins.
Oh,
And
turnover.
what a tap there.
Turnover
and a steal by Delyaban. A pushing foul and an end one. What a veteran move by Adrian Delyaban on that fast break.
Easy work.
Easy work.
Easy work yun.
And makita mo yung utak dun sa fast break na yun, no?
Yes.
That's why he got the end one. Pasok.
So it's now a 16-point lead, rather.
Oh, 4:40 remaining in the ball game. Mendoza dribbling the ball, binigay kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz hesitates and drives. One-hander and a bank shot, pasok. And a score for Carlon. Palmehar. Binigay kay Delaban. Binigay kay Costan sa gitna. Pasok, walang tira doon. Dinate rebounds the ball. De La Cruz. And there's a foul on that possession from number 22.
4 minutes and 12 seconds left, mga ka-Isons. And I thought we've already fixed the issue with the clock. Pero
De La
amo man
Cruz,
Japon.
wala. Costan with a big rebound. De Laban pushes it down. Binigay kay number 22. Binigay kay Lencioko. Tumira ng jump shot, pasok. And Migunins, we want to shout out Bagsy Abelia Villorente. Shout out from Bancon team. And Ison Haranilla, brother. Mga idol ko na ang commentator kag mga pogi. Abaw kasakit ba? Costan to Lencioko. Lencioko, 3-on-2 situation. And there's a foul by De La Cruz.
So Team Mission, no, slowly taking a hold of this game. Coach
Oh,
Bing.
Mission is slowly pulling away. And parang nakikita ko na medyo nagsa-struggle na yung defense and bumabagsak na yung defense dito ng Kerlon. No? What a block there by Lau.
2 on
And a
1.
fast break, Mendoza. Passes to Gilaran. Basket. That's a 2-on-1 situation.
Pero Coach, pwede pa ni. This is just a
Oo,
third
it's
quarter.
third
And it's
quarter.
only a 14-point lead.
And they just have to stay in the game and stay with their defense. De Laban with a 3. Wala. Costan rebounds. Wala pa rin. No violet shirt there. Purple shirt underneath to get the rebound. That's why nakuha ng Mission yung rebound na yon.
3-1.
Lao, fast break, basket.
Only Dinate was under there.
Oo.
Wala gid sang may iban.
Kerlon needs to really go for the rebound as a team here.
Mm.
And parang tinitingnan na lang nila yung mga nag-rebound sa Mission Hospital. Kung gusto nilang bumawi, they have to step up with their defense.
So our official score is 70-53, no?
Mendoza to Dinate with a fast break. Yes! A layup. Palmehar brings it down the court. Passes to De Laban. De Laban. Binabantayan ni Gilaran. De Laban, there's a foul by Samuel Gilaran. Pushing foul. And
A correction, 67-55 aton score, Coach.
substitution. Silo in
2 minutes, 9
for
seconds left.
number 22, Janas. Silio passes to Palmehar. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. And Palmehar with that 3 points gives Mission the 70-55 lead in this third quarter. 1:50 remaining in this third quarter. Mendoza to De La Cruz. Passes to Dinate sa ilalim. Binigay kay Lau pero na steal ng Mission. Palmehar with his quick hands there. Silio takes the shot. Yes! Basket for Silio. 72-55 now is the score. 1:25 remaining in the ball game. Or sorry, in the third quarter. Dinate. Tumira ng 3. A basket for Dinate. 3 points.
So it is a 14-point lead for Team Mission. Playing like on a mission.
Palmehar. And makikita mo yung composure ng Mission Hospital dito, no? Hindi sila nagmamadali.
Yes. 2 on 1.
2-on-1 situation. De La Cruz to Gilaran. Gilaran with a pass break. Wala. And there's a foul by Silio. Sayang.
Sayang yung wide open
Oo.
layup.
They have to capitalize on that.
Mm.
Migonins, yung mga 2-in-1 situation, mga 3-and-2 situation, they have to capitalize on that. Sayang yung tira na yon.
It's 48 seconds left in the third quarter, Kois. So Gilaran will shoot 2 free throws.
First free throw, pasok. Para kay Gilaran. second free throw is a basket for Gilaran. And Kerlon now at 60. Mission 72, 40 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Palmehar, binabantayan ni Lim. Palmehar binigay kay Lensioco. Lensioco, titikada sana ng tres. Tumira ng jump shot pero may foul coming from Lau of Kerlon. 35.3 seconds left in the third quarter. Lensioco will take his free throw. Dalawang free throw po para kay Lensioco. Unang free throw, pasok. Second free throw, pasok pa rin para sa Mission. 74-60 is the score. 14-point lead. 30 seconds left in the third quarter. Uy to Lau. Lau to Lim. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Lensioco pero natapik sa likod from Uy. So Mission stays with their ball. Gilaran inbounds the ball. Binigay kay Lim. Muntik nang mag-out of bounds to pero nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza binigay kay Gilaran and there's a tap from Silio. 17 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 74-60 ang score. Avuel tumira ng tres, wala. Rebound by Lau, tap to Lim. Lim underneath, wala pa rin. Silverio with a rebound. Pass break formation. Delaban tumira ng tres. Bang! What a 3-point there by Delaban. 3
Easy
seconds.
shot.
Mendoza with that half shot. Wala.
What a
So,
run by Team Mission.
Oh, what
to
a
end the
run.
quarter.
And the score is 77-60. 17-point lead. With that 3-point shot by Delaban on that pass break. And ang ganda ng nilalaro ng Mission dito, Migunins. We're going back after we proceed with the fourth quarter. Stay tuned mga ka-ISEMs and we'll be back after these reminders.
A Filipino
X.
And start of the fourth quarter. Pasensya na mga ka-ISEMs, medyo may technical difficulty tayo sa time pero we'll update you. 9:52 time remaining in this fourth quarter. 77-60 ang score. Tagubilin dribbles the ball, binigay kay Celerio. Celerio, traveling, violation by Celerio. Naglakad po, papuntang Park del Pilar to Mendoza. Mendoza plays point for Kerlon. Binalik kay Del Pilar. Binalik kay Uy sa ilalim. Binigay kay Talaban sa gitna. Talaban with a bank shot. Yes! 9:28 is the time. 77-62 in favor of Mission Hospital. Tagubilin plays point for Mission Hospital. Binigay kay Loyola. Loyola hesitates with a three. Lensioco tumira ng jump shot. Wala. Celerio with a rebound. And a spin move. Bam! What a shot by Celerio with that up and under move. Loyola rebounds the ball from the miss of Gilaran. Loyola to Tagubilin. Tagubilin plays point for Mission. Tagubilin to Loyola. Hesitates. Binibigay sa gilid kay Lensioco. What a pass by Loyola to Lensioco. And the 2 points again for Mission. The score is 81-62. 8:37 left remaining in this fourth quarter. Mendoza tumira ng tres. Wala. A battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni Sam Gilaran. Sam Gilaran with a jump shot. Wala pa rin. Uy gets the ball. Takes the shot. Wala. Lensioco. And a fast break for Mission to Tagubilin. Basket by Mission. And a timeout from Kerlon. 81-62 is the score with 8:17 remaining in this fourth quarter. And we will be back, mga ka-ISM. Stay tuned for this intense game in our first game, Mission versus Kerlon.
a Filipino home.
And we are back. Sorry mga ka-license for the delayed comeback. Medyo inaayos lang yung time namin. Lives, ganun kami mga technical difficulties. What a block by Dinate from with that defense from Kerlon. And score is 83-65. 7 minutes, 30 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Tagubilin, binigay kay number 91. Number 91, binalik kay Silio sa ilalim. And to Celerio, there's a foul for Talaban. And Celerio will take 2 free throws. So, siguro it's time for Kerlon to really come back with their defense here. Celerio takes the second free throw and basket for Celerio. And it's a 20-point lead now for Mission in this fourth quarter. 7:22 remaining. Mendoza dribbling. Wala na ba mapasahan? Binigay kay Dinate. Dinate takes. Ito ang tres. Wala. A rebound by Mission Hospital. Oh, it's an out of bounds and Mission will take the ball. Silio Tagubilin plays point. Mission still in this fourth quarter with 7:08 remaining. 85-65 is the score. Celerio binigay kay Tagubilin. Tagubilin to Silio. Silio to Tagubilin. Tagubilin passes to Loyola underneath. Wala. Rebound by Dinate. And it is a fast break for Kerlon. Mendoza takes it all the way but passes to Gilaran. Gilaran with a shot. Good. Tagubilin pushes for Mission's fast break. Tagubilin and was fouled by Dinate on that possession and he will take 2 free throws.
Dinate took the foul, no? To stop the fast break.
Oo, sacrifices his foul para ma-stop yung pass break na yun. And Lim and Tiples coming in for Kerlon. Loyola, binigay kay Silio. Silio, thinking about shooting it pero pinasa na ulit kay Tagubilin. Tagubilin sets the play. Silio gets the ball. Passes to Celerio underneath. Wala. Abuel de la Cruz on fast break. Passes to Lim. Lim hesitates. Binalik kay Mendoza with a three. It was a foul.
Oh.
Foul by number 31 on the 3-point possession. And Mendoza will take 3 free throws from that possession.
So it's a 20-point lead for Team Mission, Chris Bing.
Oo, 20-point lead. And I think Kerlon needs to step up talaga with their defense. No? Medyo naiiwan na sila rito. And if they keep that up, Mission will really pull away in this game.
So Mendoza has 2 more free throws to go.
Basket on the third free throw, 67-85, 6:09 remaining in the ball game. Tagubilin, binigay kay Celerio, binigay kay Lumbanong. Tagubilin to Celerio, pero na-steal ni Tiples. Pass break, passes to Mendoza. Mendoza lays it up, and Kerlon gets the score, 85-69.
So it's now just a 16-point lead for Team Mission.
And Kerlon is pressuring na, no? Loyola, to Tagubilin. Binalik kay Loyola ang bola. Tagubilin again. Passes to Loyola. Loyola takes a jump shot. Basket by Loyola.
86-69.
Oh, and Abuel de la Cruz with a 3. Wala. Rebound by number 91. Gives to Tagubilin. Tagubilin sets the play. Passes to Chris Loyola. Binalik kay Tagubilin ang bola. Binigay kay Lumbanong. Binigay sa gitna kay Silio. Binigay kay Tagubilin. What a pass! Pero may foul na tinawag ng referee.
Foul by Tiples.
Foul by Tiples. Oo.
You can see that the ball is really going around for Mission Hospital.
Oo. Patience, kumbaga, ang nangingibabaw sa Mission when it comes to their offense, no? Hindi sila tumitira ng hindi sigurado yung hindi high percentage ang tira nila.
Correct. And I think it also has something to do with the defense of Carolyn
Oh,
Hoisling.
correct. Carol's defense is starting to go down, no?
It's ano, ang loose katama.
Oo. Lim with the 3 points, wala.
So this is like as per Chot Reyes, a learning experience for Carolyn.
Oh, Apestar on that fast break. 2 points again for Mission. 90-69 is the score. 4 minutes 40 remaining in the ball game. Dinate waits for his teammates, takes his time. Binigay kay Lim, binigay kay Abuel de la Cruz sa gilid. Tumira ng tres basket by Abuel de la Cruz.
You have to give credit to Abuel de la Cruz, no? He came out today firing. I think that's already his fourth three-point shot.
Fourth 3-point shot, no? And
today.
he's not letting up his offense game, no? In this game. And basket by Apestar again, back-to-back basket. And a timeout is called by
Carolyn. Timeout by
Carolyn.
Team Carolyn.
Boss Eds. Boss Eds. Dre.
So that's a timeout and we'll be right back.
Oh, we'll be right back.
At Filipino.
Kami po ay nagbabalik. Mendoza, Tres. Bigay kay number 12. Mendoza.
So welcome back to the
Gets to the scenario. Loses the ball. Battle for the ball. Number 18. Number 18 gets. What a hassle by number 18.
that's mission ball.
And it's Mission's ball. Apestar to Lumbanong. Lumbanong sets the play. Binigay kay sa gilid. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Vencenario. Binigay kay Tigres. Pero na-steal ni Lumbanong ang bola. Careless pass there by Vencenario on that possession. And Carlon will be tagged fouled. Foul from Tiples. And score is 90-72. 3:20 remaining in the fourth quarter. Dinate, fast break to Mendoza. Mendoza fakes, tumira ng back shot, and an end one by Mendoza. Fouled by Apestar. And he will take his free throw. Mendoza gets the shot. Apestar passes to Lumbanong. Muntik ng mastil. Sulit to Celerio. Celerio, sabi niya, sandali lang, let's take our time. Lumbanong, what a pass, pero nabitawan ni Amazona yung bola. Pumunta sa Amazon River. And Carlon gets the ball. Mendoza now pushes it down the court. Vencenario drives to the baseline. Wala.
Short
Lau
on that
battling
drive.
for the rebound and
Good save by Dan
good
Lau.
save by Dan Lau. Carlon gets the ball back. Passes to Dinate from the inbound. There's a foul. Coming from Apestar.
So Dinate will shoot. It's the first one. So 33 left in the game.
2:33 left in the game. 92-76 ang score. A little time na kailangan mag-step up na ng Carlon. Pero we'll see what will happen. Lumbanong, binigay kay Celerio sa gilid. Celerio drives to the baseline. But it's stepping. So Carlon gets the ball. Mendoza gives to Dinate. Dinate to Tiples. Thinking of shooting the three pero binalik kay Dinate. Binalik kay Kiples uli. Kiples, bounded by Sulit. And what a defense by Mission. Pass break for Amazona. Lays it up. And Mission gets another 2 points.
94-76 with less than 2 minutes left.
95 coach correction.
95.
76 as the score. 1:44 remaining. Vencenario tumira ng 3. Basket. 3 points by Vencenario. Lumbanong. Ubos dito yung mission, mga Migunis.
Mhm.
Apistar with a 3, wala. Lau. Rebounds the ball. Binigay kay Tiples. Tiples, binalik kay Dinate. Dinate spins. Lays it up. And there's a foul for Celerio. And another timeout called for Kerlon. And again, the score is 94-79 with 1:17 remaining in the ball game. And we'll be back, mga ka-ISEMs, after this. Reminders from our major sponsors. And we are back. And Dinate on the free throw line. 1:17 remaining. 94-79 is the score. Wala yung tira na yun ni Dinate. Rebound by Celerio. And we want to give credit also to Celerio for chasing all that rebounds, no, for Mission. Celerio gets the ball, binigay kay Lumbanong, Lumbanong to Amazona, binalik kay Lumbanong, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound by Celerio again sa ilalim, battle for the rebound, pero nakuha ng Kerlon ang possession.
Out of bounds.
54 seconds remaining. 94-79 is the score. And Uy drives to the baseline. Basket. 47 remaining. 47 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. 94-81 ang score. And mukhang Mission will take the win in this first game, Miguel. Another 3 for Lumbanong. 31.6 remaining. 97-81 is the score. And another Celerio. Celerio. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Binigay kay Sulit, tumira. Wala. Dinate. A fast break for Obrique. Basket. 7-81 is the score. 7 seconds remaining. And I think Mission will take the win in this first game.
Yes. So our first ever game in our inaugural season for Ilonggo Basketball League between Mission and Kerlon. So Mission takes the